Hey there, everyone. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you all. We're diving into ways to earn some extra cash using apps you might not have heard about before. These are legitimate, mind-blowing apps that can help you make passive income right from your smartphone. Think about it. Your phone costs a pretty penny, right? Well, why not let it work for you? These apps won't cost you a single arm or leg, but they could potentially bring in some extra dough while you use your phone as usual. I know we've all spent a good chunk of change on these gadgets, but here's the kicker. It's time for them to start making money for us. In this video, I'll walk you through these amazing opportunities with a pretty big bonus in the end. Trust me, it's worth your time. So settle in, maybe put the kids to bed, silence the TV, let the dog out, and let's dive into this together. So let me introduce you to our first site. What's the deal with this first site, you ask? Well, imagine getting paid for doing practically nothing with your smartphone. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real. This incredible app pays you for simply using your phone's processor during those times when you're not actively using it. Safety and privacy are top-notch. Here, rest assured, they prioritize your data security. And the best part, it's an easy gig that literally anyone can jump into without breaking a sweat. You install this app, and from there on, it's passive income time. Even when your phone's plugged in or lying idle, you're making money. And here's the kicker. Forget about those pesky ads or completing tedious tasks. There's no need to endure long surveys or watch ads for what feels like ages just to earn a few cents. This is a straightforward process, no strings attached. It's free, works globally, and demands zero expertise. Install the app, and it's like unlocking a gateway to earning from your phone's unused power. Worried about privacy invasion? Don't be. This app doesn't snoop around your personal stuff, nor does it bombard you with unwanted ads. It's all about utilizing your phone's processing capability for ethical, legitimate business purposes. Think about it as lending your device's power to assist companies in testing websites or other vital tasks. This method is a real game changer for those seeking easy and quick money, especially if funds are tight. It's an effortless way to pocket some cash without much hassle. The first website I'm referring to is NeoCortex, accessible through neocortex.com. Presently, it's exclusively available for Android users via Google Play. Keep an eye out, though. They might expand their reach in the future. For anyone rocking an Android device, this platform offers a fantastic opportunity to kickstart your journey towards effortless, free income. Now, the next one on our list is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Owned by the giant Amazon, this platform allows you to become a tasker. Essentially, you get paid for completing simple tasks, also known as HITS human intelligence tasks or microtasks. The more tasks you do, the more you earn. Here's the scoop. Businesses team up with Amazon Mechanical Turk, posting various tasks for you to tackle and earn money. Becoming a Turk is a breeze. Just click the Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk button. Choose I want to become a worker. Sign into your existing Amazon account and you're in. From there, you pick the tasks you want to complete. It's that straightforward. This is an excellent opportunity to make some extra cash for free. Plus, it's Amazon. We're talking about a globally recognized, legitimate website. They're the biggest retailer in the world, making it a reliable platform for you to start earning as a Mechanical Turk. So, why not give it a shot? It's a simple way to make money without any upfront costs. And Amazon has your back on this one. Let's explore the third website on our list. This one's called Prolific, found at prolific.co. Now, what makes Prolific stand out is that it pays you for doing research right from your smartphone. Here's the deal. You'll find plenty of research opportunities, also known as gigs, and if you meet the requirements, you can dive into these gigs and earn money using your phone. Getting started with this website is a piece of cake. What's great is that it's backed by big names like the University of Oxford and Google, among other major companies. To begin, you'll scroll down the page, and there's a section that says, Participants get paid to make a difference. Click on Learn More to initiate your journey. Then, simply click Get Started to join the participation waitlist. Fill in your details by clicking here, making sure to complete all the required information. Once you've done that, keep an eye on your email because they'll reach out when they accept your application. That's when they'll start sending you these research gigs, and you can start earning money online. This platform is an exciting opportunity to earn some extra cash by contributing to research projects. It's a straightforward process, and with reputable endorsements like those from the University of Oxford and Google, you can trust that it's a legitimate and reliable way to make money using your smartphone. Keep your information ready, follow the steps, and you'll soon be on your way to making money by participating in these research tasks. Remember, taking part in these gigs isn't just about earning money. it's also about contributing to meaningful research efforts. So if you're interested in making a difference while pocketing some cash, Prolific is a fantastic platform to explore. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn money by doing research tasks right from your smartphone. Now that we've uncovered these 3 fantastic apps that can help you earn quick cash, let's explore the bonus I am talking about. Here are a few additional strategies and insights to consider for boosting your online income. Firstly, apart from relying solely on these apps, consider diversifying your approach to making money online. While these apps are great, there are other methods worth exploring. For instance, you could delve into freelance work. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr offer platforms where you can offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistants. This opens up opportunities beyond the app-based income and allows you to leverage your unique talents for earning more. Moreover, expanding your income streams might involve exploring other online platforms. Have you considered starting a blog or a YouTube channel? These platforms allow you to share your expertise or passions with the world, while potentially generating income through advertisements, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It's a longer-term game, but with dedication and consistent content, it can become a lucrative avenue. Now let's talk about success in the digital sphere. One crucial tip is to be consistent and persistent. Whether you're using these apps or exploring alternative methods, consistency is key. Building a steady income online often requires patience and dedication. Additionally, always be open to learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so staying updated with trends, new technologies, and market demands can give you an edge. Networking is another essential aspect. Engage with communities related to your interests or field of work. Online forums, social media groups, or professional networks like LinkedIn can connect you with opportunities, mentors, or potential clients. Don't underestimate the power of optimizing your skills. Continuous improvement in your field can not only enhance your income potential, but also make you more marketable. Online courses, tutorials, or certifications can add value to your profile and increase your earning capacity. Lastly, be mindful of your work-life balance. The flexibility of earning online can sometimes blur the lines between work and personal time. Establish a routine that allows you to be productive without burning out. Set boundaries and allocate specific times for work and relaxation. To sum up our video for today, while these apps offer great ways to earn quick cash, exploring diverse avenues, staying updated, networking, skill enhancement, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance can contribute significantly to your success in the online earning game. Embrace these tips, stay committed, and watch your online income grow. Thanks for tuning in today, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Don't keep this goodness to yourself. Share it with your friends. We're super excited to hear what you think, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation rolling. See you next time.